Hey, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create mobile app marketing strategies with Team-GPT. I've gone ahead and I set up a project and I named it Mobile App Marketing Agent. So let's see what's inside. For project information and instructions, I've added a comprehensive prompt, which I further enhanced and created it into a very detailed instructions that is always applied for every new chat that is started in the project. It contains primary mission, persona, information that should require us to provide it for optimal output, and so on. I've also included a mobile app marketing strategy and copy. This is a deep research document that I've created on the best practices, and it's always applied in every chat by pinning it. What else I would include? I would include your brand's target audience, any brand guidelines, web pages, previous chats and brainstorms that you probably have, meeting summaries, any Google Drive docs, etc, etc, etc. So the context is even fuller. Let's say that we've done all this setup and we're not sure what it can do, or let's say someone else set it up for you and you want to know what the capabilities of this agent are. All you got to do is just straight up, what can you do? What information should I provide? Just ask it and it will tell you. Now I have copied and I've created some information from our dummy brand Mindful Bytes. So let's see how it performs. I've pasted some of the information about core brand identity and there we go. I've added it, but the information is not really full. It asks me for further clarification because it wants to generate me even better output. For example, app functionality, what are the distinctive features, category, any adjustments, so you can better understand. So let's provide that. I've gone ahead and generated some dummy data for this, just for this demo, to answer all of the questions. And there we have it, perfect. I have everything I need. Complete marketing strategy and copy. It has demographics, user personas, brand voice and tone for marketing the app, app store copy, and so on and so forth. Please test this with your real brand. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what it can be improved, and I'll be happily improving this playbook for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.